The Pixel 10 Pro is just weeks away from launch, and the excitement around it is building fast. Thanks to a fresh set of leaked renders, we now have a clear idea of what color options the Pixel 10 Pro might offer, and while most of the colors follow Google's usual safe choices, there's one option that's turning heads: the vibrant new Jade. According to the leak, the Pixel 10 Pro could be available in four color variants: Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Jade. Obsidian and Porcelain are the usual black and white shades we've seen on Google phones over the years. These classic options are dependable and minimalistic, but honestly, they don't bring anything new to the table. If you've owned a Pixel before, you already know what these will look like: sleek, professional, and safe. The third color, Moonstone, is where things start to get a little more interesting. This one appears to be a bluish-gray shade. It's not bold, but it's certainly more modern than just black or white. It also seems to match what Google teased earlier in one of their official Pixel 10 Pro promo videos, making it likely that Moonstone will be one of the main launch colors, but the real surprise is the Jade color. This light green shade with gold accents stands out from the otherwise muted palette. It's refreshing to see Google experimenting with something that feels more lively. While it's not as bold as some of the colors we're seeing on the base Pixel 10, like indigo or limoncello, it's still a welcome change for the Pro lineup. Interestingly, the Pixel 10 base model is rumored to get more playful colors overall. That includes indigo, frost, limoncello, and obsidian. Compared to these, the Pixel 10 Pro's color options might seem more serious or even dull to some users. But for those who prefer a touch of elegance with a slight pop of color, Jade and Moonstone offer just that. However, there might be a catch. According to earlier leaks, Google could limit the Jade color option to just the 256GB storage variant. If that's true, users wanting more storage, like 512GB or 1TB, might be forced to go with less exciting color options like Obsidian. In fact, the 1TB model is rumored to be available only in Obsidian, which could be disappointing for those who want both maxed out specs and a stylish design. Of course, none of this is confirmed just yet. We'll need to wait until August 20th to know for sure when Google is expected to officially unveil the full Pixel 10 lineup. Along with the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, we're also expecting the Pixel 10 Pro XL, the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and the Pixel Watch 4. That event will be Google's big moment to challenge the newly released Galaxy S25 series and the upcoming iPhone 17. So far, Google seems to be taking a more refined approach with its Pro lineup, focusing on polished design, premium features, and just a hint of flair in its color selection. What's clear from the recent leaks is that while the Pixel 10 Pro may not have the boldest color choices, it does strike a nice balance between professional design and subtle personality. The addition of Moonstone gives users a modern option, and Jade brings a breath of fresh air, especially if you're tired of the same old black and white phones. Poll results from early viewers seem to reflect this sentiment. So far, 60% of people prefer the Moonstone color, while 20.86% pick Jade. Obsidian and Porcelain each receive just 8.57%, suggesting users are looking for something new this year. In the end, color might not be the most important feature of a phone, but it does play a big role in how we connect with our devices. A phone isn't just a tool, it's something we carry every day, and its look matters. With Jade and Moonstone, the Pixel 10 Pro might finally offer something visually fresh, even if it's just a small step outside the usual. Let's see what happens on August 20th. Hopefully, Google won't let the best-looking color behind limited storage options. If they do, it might just disappoint fans who want both power and style in the same package. Until then, let us know in the comments, which Pixel 10 Pro color would you choose? Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, or Jade? Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch.